How Americans are using AI to make extra income. Beginner-friendly guide. Most people believe that artificial intelligence is only for programmers or big tech companies. But today in the United States, thousands of regular people are quietly using AI to earn extra income without showing their face, without quitting their jobs, and without any technical background. In this video, you'll learn how beginners in the USA are realistically using AI to support their income in a legal and ethical way. This video is purely educational. There are no get-rich-quick promises, no fake screenshots, and no misleading claims. The cost of living in America continues to rise. Rent, groceries, healthcare, and insurance are more expensive than ever. While salaries often stay the same, technology keeps moving forward. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is already part of everyday work. People who understand how to use AI as a tool have an advantage, not because AI makes money for them, but because it helps them save time and work more efficiently. Artificial intelligence simply refers to software that can perform tasks that normally require human effort. This includes writing assistance, idea generation, data organization, image creation, and automation of repetitive tasks. AI does not replace people who think creatively and make decisions. It replaces repetitive manual effort. That is why people who learn how to guide AI properly can use it to support their work and income. One of the most common ways people in the United States use AI is through content assistance. Businesses, bloggers, and online creators constantly need written material such as articles, scripts, emails, newsletters, and social media posts. AI tools help generate rough drafts or outlines. Beginners use these tools to speed up their work, then review, edit, and improve the content before delivering it. This is widely accepted when done responsibly, and the value comes from human judgment, not from the AI alone. Another practical use of AI is helping small businesses. Many small business owners do not have time to learn new tools. They need help with simple tasks like organizing customer emails, writing product descriptions, preparing marketing messages, or setting up basic automated responses. People who understand simple AI tools can help these businesses save time. They are not selling AI software. They are selling convenience, organization, and support. This type of service-based work is stable and in demand. Some people also use AI as a support tool to create digital products. Digital products include guides, templates, planners, checklists, and educational documents. AI helps with research, idea structuring, and first drafts. The human creator still reviews everything, adds personal insight, and ensures accuracy. Digital products are popular because they can be created once and shared multiple times without physical inventory. However, they still require effort, planning, and honesty. It is very important to avoid misleading claims when talking about AI and income. Artificial intelligence does not guarantee results. It does not automatically make money. Anyone promising instant income or guaranteed profits is usually exaggerating or misleading. Real results come from learning, consistency, and using tools ethically. Platforms like YouTube and advertisers strongly prefer honest, educational content, which is why transparency matters. To use AI effectively, advanced technical skills are not required. What matters most is clear communication, basic computer knowledge, and a willingness to learn. AI tools change quickly, but problem-solving and decision-making skills remain valuable. This is why beginners can start learning today without feeling overwhelmed. Artificial intelligence is not a shortcut to success. It is simply a tool. Americans who use AI responsibly are not trying to get rich overnight. They are using it to save time, improve productivity, and create additional income streams alongside their existing work. When used correctly, AI supports effort instead of replacing it. If you want to understand artificial intelligence, personal finance, and smarter ways to manage money in a simple and realistic way, this channel is here to help. Thank you for watching, and more beginner-friendly videos are coming soon.